Yes.
The woman and her daughters are playing.
Yeah. The mother or the woman. The mother and her daughters. Okay. Her daughters, not his daughter. Okay. The mother and her daughters are playing. This one.
The boy and dog is playing.
Yes. Whose dog? His dog or her dog or their dog?
His
Can you
dog.
make a sentence one more time?
The boy and his dog are playing.
Very good. Are playing. And this one?
The woman and her cat are playing.
Very good. And this one you have to say this is my every picture.
This is my bicycle. This is my bed. This is my family. This is my brother.
Perfect.